Hi guys, welcome to my mini vlog. So we gonna slime in the car. Request of my cousin. Her name is Patricia and my name is Diana. So today we're gonna first the green one, the light green. This is the light green. It's so fluffy and so smooth. Shoot, look, they have a toppings there. Look like so wow. Oh, so look. And so ASMR to me. Oh, it's so good this green because she's so fluffy and have toppings. Her topping is so good. I don't know what is her name this. You comment what is her name this. Look this. Next is the orange one. And we have a yellow one or orange one. Two orange one. Look like not orange too. Because this is a light orange and this is a orange. So we're gonna put this green now into this line. Wait, I'm gonna find her green cup. So we're gonna play this, the orange one. Wow, so fluffy too. Oh, they have a toppings too. So many. Oh no, I guess pictures. So cute. Oh my god, I love this slime. In part 2, the big slime. In the part 2, we're gonna use this big slime because I have no time now. Oh no, so fluffy. It's so good. Like they have a glitters. So good. I like this. Oh wow. In the part 2, the biggest one. She have no glitters. That is okay. And toppings. This is wow. Oh, so good. And bye bye guys. Welcome to another day.